Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Today we're going to take a first look at the new Wyze Video Doorbell. Now I gotta say, this is probably one of the smallest video doorbell packages I've ever seen. It's very small, very cute. And let's just take a quick look at what's inside the box. Okay, open it up. Oh, it's very small. So we've got here a couple of little boxes of accessories. And oh, it's the chime that goes with the doorbell. I think the chime is bigger than the doorbell itself. What else is in here? A little quick start guide, and a Wyze sticker. And I guess one of these, this must be, this one has the actual doorbell inside. Oh, it's got a little thing that says push. It's in its little bag, and that's it. That is the Wyze Video Doorbell. It's really small. Anyway, it's got the camera right here. It's got the little bell right here. So we're going to go ahead and install this and check it out. We'll come back and do a full review. Thank you.